Dramani Mahama we know from 2012. The John Dramani Mahama we know from 2016. You are not seeing the energy of John Dramani Mahama this time around. Is he okay? Okay. And it's not just about the energy. Is it true, Sir John Dramani Mahama Kusunyane? Is it true, Sir Kusunyane BBC or Ho? Again, the see here. Is it true, Sir UGMC? Modi American and UGMC. And I'm asking these questions because a very relevant. Yantina Nyama Monya, a John Dramani Mahama, Yodium, Tumi Amu Penti, and Mama Lodina. You need to take a cue from this. If indeed the questions I am asking are true, and Yaman answer Bufume. John Dramani Mahama Kosunyane. Okoye ni bibi kosi wo ho. Ede ne si wo ho. Is it true someone rushing by UGMC Medical Center na University of Ghana Medical Center? Is it true someone flying out? And for some time now, John Dramani Mahama is not in the country. Now no only country a dear na mo ko ye. Question you bisa no. Cataract. Is it true? Ni liver okay? Ni kidney okay? The organs is, and I'm asking these questions, and you people, you know why I'm asking these questions. And Mira, your mama, umuya, unim di obenyo. You see,
it was a walk about ever too much age. Best say when you first time I do video to any day more. Please subscribe to our page and also press on the bell. Send them here upload videos now. We are in election year now. As a matter of fact, in Yama Air Koso. Yeah, in Yama Air Koso now. When you're very observant, you wouldn't really know what's ongoing. Okatakyire Afrifa, the information be about that the nature of the information is compelling me to bring you this video so that you can also know what's really going on in this campaign year. Nina fire up JM home. Ebusian Sobekaya 2012 Ghana Antias and Papa. That was the year former President Atamos Eddie Freeman issues that were surrounding him that led to his early grief. Okatakyire Afrifa said there's something like that around JM. To the extent says Ebusian for any penny for very alert about what JM is going through. Maybe Ghana and Kote Asempa. It's an election year though, and this message sounds some ways and maybe he want to discredit him or anything of that sort. But on a more serious note, evidence are branching a better bonteno ewu hiya say ekọ ne ko video we na efutu be ewo no yan fa efutu no ento wo ma no.
And a very dicey and very sensitive conversation, but it needs to be had. And a very sensitive conversation, but because of your history, we need to have that conversation. And then you a question before John Dramani Mahama, and we say what has necessitated a yes our conversation with the ama ne yebedi sound komo we ni because tienio yedikai John Dramani Mahama as the flag bearer of the NDC about 2 years ago, almost 2 years. Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia just last year November. But what's in us now, you can tell within the last 2 months to 3 months, the campaign of John Dramani Mahama and that of Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, you can see the visibility of Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, but you can't see John Dramani Mahama. So, Mami a bit worried. Said, what is going on? Okay, me digging in kakra. Now, start digging in some of the information that I had. I won't say them, but then again, we need to, because John Dramani Mahama, first and foremost, state asset as a statesman, a former president of the republic. We need to be very careful what we do to him or what we don't do to him. And then you saying this before question said John Dramani Mahama be okay dear. Mama, this is not out of malice. Yet to come her 2008, 2009. Yankoko Tobana, Eja Yashas, oh, Professor Mills, when home fano, Professor Mills, or Yare, Professor Mills, been a wonder dono. The only continent, the only country, I would timua, Penny Yadi, I want to make country man for no, your continent. And I know your day, a year can chance ye by ye. Your one over catches a can chance your prostate cancer. It a doctor for say or to me survive beyond even 2 years here. Yantikoma, Omeka, that is transparency. Yantikoma 2008 election. Yan and Tiona Professor Mills in the home for no observe Professor Mills or Yoki. Professor Mills in the home for no so Professor Mills or Yoki. 2009 Professor Mills home for no so Yoki. Yanina under our eyes we saw Professor Mills deteriorating from one point to the other. Edu baby Professor Mills in the ne air call ye busa Professor Mills Yoki omzo or Yoki. Sign this kuya. And this fuya. Professor Mills yare ye who send in some way tuntum ye busa Professor Mills omzo Professor Mills or Yoki. To the point so mama Professor Mills begina tama keso every a year your friend say young Professor Mills wako TB Joshua ho akwada TB Joshua say so ye papa ye healthy ye nyina ye nyesa bisabiti bonko so ye hunu se papa ne nye okay afi wo mo se papa ne okay ye nyina de si ye de ye nisem ye hu ye ti koma ye nka bi nshem 2012 ye ba akoto aba 6 months to election ye ho Professor Mills hey na moje mani so now the entire one be here se mebusa sa question we yera John Dramani Mahama or ye okay dear because one the campaign is something is and me when the video be anu church here man and you can tell there is no energy. The John Dramani Mahama we know from 2012, the John Dramani Mahama we know from 2016. I would meet Gina and you so sure you are not seeing the energy of John Dramani Mahama this time around. Is he okay? Maybe I okay. And it's not just about the energy. Is it true that John Dramani Mahama ko sunyane? Is it true so ko sunyane BBC or ho? Again see here. Is it true say UGMC Modi American and ko UGMC? And I'm asking these questions because a very relevant. Yantina ho nyema mo nye John Dramani Mahama yodum tumi amu penti. And Mama Lodina, you need to take a cue from this. If indeed the questions I am asking are true, and you may say mbufume. John Dramani Mahama ko sunyane. Okoye ni bibi ko si wo ho. Ede ne si wo ho. Is it true someone rushing by UGMC Medical Center na University of Ghana Medical Center? Is it true someone flying out? And for some time now, John Dramani Mahama is not in the country. Now no only country a dear na mo ko ye. Question you bisa no. Menim samosu cataract. Is it true? Ni liver okay? Ni kidney okay? The organs is and I'm asking these questions, and you people, you know why I'm asking these questions. And Mira your mama, ya unim di obenyo. You see, 2 million wa prepare no. Any pano mudi unche and boni or mupe 2 million obedinti. But if indeed these questions I am asking, then there is nothing wrong with coming out to tell us that you are not feeling well. And all of us will even sympathize with you and will begin to pray for you as our leader. We don't want a similar situation like Professor Mills' own. And yet here one be here say me busa sa question we ade ba ko pa ye. Yenko tie eye Kwasi Ahoy.
I was not prepared to be president at that time. But nature skewed things in such a way that President Mills had to give way to John Mahama. Anything can happen. So, Nana, be ever prepared, like your motto says. Be ready. Anything can happen, and you can become the president of the Republic of Ghana. Yeah, Nana. So
you see, yes, it's a bomochichi free insure se beka cho so denche mu wa. E dia na bema eye Kwasi Ahoy nimpa se. John Dramani Mahama ni je na no poku. One of them, if anything at all, Jenna Nobokwadima is older, way older than John Dramani Mahama. Meboa. At the end of Bema, a year kwasia where Becca said, Nana, prepare yourself. Anything is possible. Najo Mahama is ready to become president. But nature in its own wisdom, and nature and wisdom now when you take it, Professor Mills, and then Professor Mills will yes, sir. At the end of kwasia ho nimwa, Ebema wa encourage a year. A 70-something-year-old woman to be prepared because anything can happen and he can become the president of the republic. When he may be anyone, Professor Mr. Mahama, you okay? Former president, is he okay? If he's not okay, then Lord, Mama, you couldn't first to before 2 minutes more. And I'm asking these questions because I know what I know. Samusi Muntie, Namun Kano Kran Chereman Fono. Samusi Muntie. Na say bibi wa you don't need to work, of course you can get segment here me sha but I me wo me yare and mechi me dwene ho amentiase nkokora bone bantem. And as a leader you don't need to hide this from the people. Eti Yewa Ama, with the greatest of respect, and your boni so not out of malice. We me MPP ni, but there's no out of malice. No. I am genuinely asking these questions because you and I know what we know. And then this is for to cover things that Mubu to me and Fumi said that be amo yeno. Mama semwa. Mubu fu amwa na mbu fumu honyame. Eti mi rajo mama we dey serew. Ibi nko ya me nyina yehu na ye mompaye ema wo. Ne anu nyina yen solidarize with you because we love you first as our former president before to me now we peno. Eno the empany. Say baby nkoyi and me who o campaign awoye the energy levels of your campaign is low. We are not feeling you. You don't have energy, and this is not John Mahama. We know John Mahama in this country. We know how he drives his campaign. 2008, 2012, 2016, even 2020. Yeah, we saw it. So yendi no kure bi ma ho bibia eye okay.
Ebusia, me appreciate you say when you bring no your video way. This video is a video I was saying you to me share. Emma Obianso and Sanke be send a bear adwenkyere bia obia wo no obetumi dey be trouble and you how issues easy fatie because Atamus Ephraim it was a very big blow to Ghana. It affected you so much. Now say BBC betu ebima I think say Ghana we are not prepared to suffer a thing like this, and JDM is a national asset. We must all do everything in our means to make sure say the man has a right standing. As a matter of fact, the man is healthy and is ongoing very well. Let me know your comments so I can know how you are appreciating our videos. Subscribe to this page and press on the bell so that I may upload videos on our own.